Suddenly what Betty saw a gray bundle, एक gray color का bundle था that was rolling over the waves. That they saw that bundle was rolling over here. What's that? She asked Gills. What's that? वो क्या है? She asked Gills. Betty is a girl and Gills is a boy. So Betty asked Gills. Okay. Now Gills looked at the sea. Gills ने क्या करा? He saw towards the sea and looked at the sea. It is a gill. What it is? What did Betty said? Betty said that it is a वो Gil said that it is a gull. Gull is what? It is a type of a seabird. Okay. He said, I think she's hurt. What is the Betty said that? Betty said that I think she is hurt means who is hurt? Gil is hurt. कौन hurt है? Gil. Gull hurt है. They walked into the water and picked her up. What they did? They went towards the water. You can see they both are going towards the water. वो water के पास गए and they picked her up. ये girl को उठाया. The girl was covered with oil. When they picked up ना, they saw that it was covered with oil. पूरा उसमें oil लगा हुआ था. Oil means the cooking oil we use, that type of oil. The oil had come from a ship's engine. The oil had from where oil has come in the ocean. It must be coming from the ship engine because ship only runs on the sea, na? So where will be the oil coming? It must have come from the ship engine. The girl looked very ill and tired. The girl तो जो थी ना वो एकदम tired लग रही थी, थकी हुई और बीमार सी लग रही थी. Okay. She could not fly. वो उड़ नहीं पा रही थी. She could not fly. When the oil sticks to their wings, seabirds cannot flap their wings. जब oil उसमें stick हो जाता है, when they see this is the oil that is coming out of that. This is the oil that is coming. This is the oil drops. When the oil stick to their wings, seabirds cannot flap their wings. उसने क्या बोला? Betty ने क्या बोला कि he said that when the oil sticks to their wings, जब उस oil stick कर जाता है उनके wings में, seabirds cannot flap their wings. Flap means flap करके उड़ते हैं ऐसे करके. They cannot flap. Many of them often drown in the sea. Often drown in the sea means they generally वो डूब जाते हैं. What? Because they cannot fly, so they die. Let's take her home. So what Betty said? Betty said that let's take her home. Mother will know what to do, said Betty. Mother will know. Mother को पता होगा कि क्या करना होगा. What we should do with how we can help this girl. Mother tried hard to clean the girl's wings. Mother ने क्या करा? उसकी wings को बहुत साफ करने की कोशिश करी. She tried to clean the wings. The bird did not move. The bird did not move, but the bird did not move. Finally, mother got the oil of the gill wings. Then what she did? Mother finally, after removing so many times, when you clean the person, the person gets clean. So same way the bird was also clean after cleaning many times. The mother got oil of the gill wing and she removed the oil from the gill's wing. Betty put her in a shoebox. What did Betty do? Betty ने क्या करा? She put her in a shoebox and tried bird lay in it. And tired means थकी हुई जो bird थी. She lay down on that shoebox. Okay. For 3 days, Gills and Betty took care of the bird. For 3 days, she took care of the birds. 3 दिन तक उन्होंने उसकी देखभाल करी. On the fourth day, they took her out into the garden. Where did they took her? They on fourth day, they took her out of the into the garden. They bring her into the garden. She stood there for a moment, looking up at the sky. She stood there. वो वहाँ पर रुकी रही. And they saw that she's looking up into the sky. Then she saw the other gulls flying above. गर्ल ने क्या करा, पहले तो ऊपर देखती रही, and then she saw that other gulls are also flying. Then what she did, she squawked happily and lifted her lovely gray wings. और वो क्या हो गई, चीखने लगी. मतलब when you see your friends ना, you start shouting ना, तो she also started shouting and मतलब आवाज निकालने लगी, and happily खुशी खुशी, and lifted her lovely grey wings, और उसने wings को उठाया, and she flew straight into the air, joined the other gills and flew away. And she stood straight into the air and joined the other gill and flew away. Okay. Then one day later, Gills and Betty were playing on the beach. What were they doing? Gills and Betty were playing on the beach. A large black dog was running toward them. What they saw, the large dog, black color का जो dog है ना, black color का बड़ा सा, came towards them, running towards them. They did not see him. वो लोग अपना खेल रहे थे. So they did not see the dog. The dog barked angrily at the Betty. और dog ने किसके ऊपर bark करा? Betty के ऊपर. जोर से, गुस्से से, angrily. Betty screamed in fear. और Betty डर के मारे चिल्लाने लगी. Screamed means she started चिल्लाना. In fear, डर के मारे. Gills help me. Gills help me. किसको आवाज दिया उसने? अपने भाई को. Gills ran to help her. और Gills एकदम से उसकी तरफ भागा. But the black dog barked at him too. But what happened? Then Gills also came there. That black dog barked at him और Gills के ऊपर भी वो चिल्ला भौंकने लगा. Gills was scared. Gills भी डर गया. क्या हो गया? डर गया. Just then something came down from the sky. What did came? Something came down from the sky. Something came. Maybe something sky से नीचे आया कुछ. With the harsh sound. Harsh sound मतलब जोर से, खतरनाक वाली आवाज से. It hit the dog's nose. और जोर से उसने dog की nose को hit करा. And the dog ran away. And the dog went away from there. Means he just ran away from there. It flew after the dog. और वो डॉग के पीछे पीछे भागने लगा. And pecked him on his back. और उसके पीछे भी उसने मारा. Pecked means उसने चोंच मारी. The dog ran away from the beach. And the dog ran away from the beach. Beach means समुद्र के किनारे से वो dog भाग गया. Ben and Betty looked up. They saw a gull flying up in the air with a loud, happy cry. When Ben and Betty क्या करा? उसने ऊपर देखा. And when they saw the gull flying in the air with a loud, happy cry. कौन सी बर्ड ये गल थी? गिल. वो एक गल की आवाज सुनाई थी जो आवाज से उड़ रही थी, जो उसे जोर आवाज देके. And happily she was crying. Gills and Betty, look, it's a girl. The girl we saved. ये कौन है? वो वाली गर्ल है जिसको हमने बचाया था. Who said? Betty said. Gill said, I am sure of that. उसने क्या बोला? Yes, I am also sure. She came back to save us. She came back to save us. और किसने बोला? Betty said that yes, she has come to save us. The girl squawked happily and flew away far in the sky. और girl जो थी वो उड़ गई खुशी खुशी and far away in the sky. और उसने भी उनकी help करके वो चली गई. The children went home and told mother how their girl help them. और children अपने घर गए and they told her mother how the mother help how the told their mother that how the girl helped them, और कैसे girl ने उनकी help करी. So this is the story. All of you have understood the story? Okay, many of you have joined. Many of you have joined so late. So let's see how many of you, all of you have understood the story. Shall I explain it again? All of you must have understood the story. So what was the story? I will just tell you again. Many of you have joined late. So I will just tell you again. Yes, beta, I will just ask you one afterwards. Let me first, it's many of you have joined late. So let me explain that story. Okay. So what was the story? It was the story of the lost girl. Lost girl, जो girl खो गई थी. Means the girl, one day the girl, Betty and girls were playing on the seashore. One day what was there? The Betty and Gills were playing on the seashore. समुद्र के किनारे में Betty और Gills नाम के दो बच्चे थे. Betty was a girl and Gills was a boy. They were playing on the seashore. It was a pleasant morning. Suddenly Betty saw a grey bundle rolling over the waves. What's that? Asked Gills. और Gills ने पूछा कि ये क्या चीज रोल होकर आ रहा है? The Gills looked at the sea. It is a girl, he said. I think she is hurt. और उसने क्या बोला कि I think she is hurt. वो hurt है. I think she is hurt. Then they walked into the water and picked up her up. वो क्या गए? वो लोग पानी में गए और उसको उठा लिया. The girl was covered with oil. Girl क्या थी? Girl को आप देख रहे हो? It was covered with oil. Okay. The oil had come from the ship's engine. Oil कहाँ से आता है? वो water में ship चलती है तो उसी से ही वो जो इंजन में से निकलता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा इंजन निकलता है शिप में से, तो वही इंजन का ऑयल जो था, इंजन में से ऑयल निकला और वो गर्ल्स में लग गया. द गर्ल लुक्ड वेरी इल एंड टायर्ड. और गर्ल बहुत टायर्ड थी. वो क्यों थक गई? क्योंकि जब वो ऑयल लग जाता है और इंजन में से जो निकल के ऑयल उसके लग गया तो शी कैन नॉट फ्लाई. ओके. नाउ when the oil stick to the wings, seabirds cannot flap their wings. They cannot fly. Many of them often drown in the sea. जब उसमें oil लग जाता है तो what happened? They cannot flap their wings. मतलब वो flap नहीं कर सकते, ऊपर नीचे नहीं कर सकते. Then same जब ऊपर नीचे करते that way only they fly ना. So they can't flap their wings. Many of them drown in the sea. और बहुत सारे जन डूब के, बहुत सारी seabirds डूब के मर जाती हैं. Let's take home. Mother will know what to do, said Benny. And what they said that let's take home. उसको घर ले चलते हैं and mother will tell us what to do with that. Betty said. Okay. Then mother tried hard to clean the girl's wings and the bird did not move. Finally, the mother got the oil of the gill's wing. और mother ने बहुत try करा उसका wings में से oil निकालने, but she was not able to remove that. But finally, removing many times, she removed the oil. और उसने फिर उन्होंने ऑयल उसकी विंग्स में से निकाल दिया. बेटी पुट हर इन द शू बॉक्स. बेटी ने क्या करा? जब ऑयल निकल गया तो बेटी ने क्या करा? शी पुट हर इन द शू बॉक्स. शू बॉक्स होता है ना जिसमें हम शूज लाते हैं, तो शी केप्ट हर इन द शू बॉक्स and the tired bird lay in it. Tired means क्योंकि because she was tired ना, bird was very tired, girl was very tired and she lay in that shoebox और वो रही. So for how many days she stayed there? She lay down for 3 days and Gil and Betty took care of the bird. और Gil और Betty ने उसका बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान रखा. Then on the 4th day, What happened on the fourth day? They took her out into the garden, और उन्होंने उसको garden में ले गए. She stood there for a moment, looking up in the sky. And what she was doing? Girl was looking up in the sky. Girl क्या देख रही थी? Sky पे देख रही थी. Then she saw that other girls flying above. And then when what she saw, that other girls were flying above. She squared happily and lifted her lovely grey wings. और उसने squared means चीखना चिल्लाई और वो खुशी के मारे, and she lifted her grey leaves and she flew away into the air. और वो एकदम हवा में फटाक से ऊपर अपनी अदर गर्ल्स के पास चली गई, उड़ के चली गई. A few days later, कुछ दिन हो गए. Okay, now she had gone. Now few days later, Gills and Betty were playing on the beach. और Betty और Gills खेल रहे थे. कहाँ पर खेल रहे थे? समुद्र के किनारे. Okay. A large black dog was running towards them. और उसी समय एक बड़ा सा black dog was coming towards them. They did not see him. और उन्होंने उसको नहीं देखा. The dog barked angrily at Betty. और dog ने क्या करा? बेटी के ऊपर जोर से चिल्लाया, भौंकने लगा. बेटी screamed in fear. और बेटी started, वो चिल्लाने लगी. Gills, help me. Gills, help me. Gilp ran to help her, but the black dog barked at him too. Gills was scared. और जैसे ही Gilps ने उसकी हेल्प करने लगा तो black जो dog था, it started barking at that boy also, and the Gill was also scared. Just then something came down from the sky with a harsh sound. और उसी समय एक जोर से कुछ आया स्काई में से, with a harsh sound, बहुत जोर से आवाज से. It hit the dog's nose. और उसने क्या करा? डॉग की नोज में हिट करा. And the dog ran off. And उसकी वजह से डॉग क्या हो गया? जब डॉग की चोट लगी नोज पे, so what happened? The dog ran off. It flew after the dog and pecked him on his back. और peck means उसकी चोंच मारी बैक में भी. The dog ran away from the beach. And the dog ran away from the beach. और dog वहां से बीच से चला गया. The Betty and Gills looked up. They saw a girl flying in the air and a loud happy cry. और उन्होंने क्या देखा कि गिल ऊपर हवा में है. The Gills and Betty looked up. It's our Gill, the Gill we saved. I'm sure of that. She came to save us. तो Gills क्या चिल्लाई? Gills, said Betty, कि look up. देखो ये वही गिल है जो जिसको हमने सेव करा. You can see that Gill is pecking at the backside of the dog. So that is the same Gill which we had saved, जिसको हमने बचाया था. You can see the photograph over here. The Gill is saving these two children. The Gill squawked happily and flew away into the sky. और फिर जब उसने वो dog वहां से, the dog went away and then she flew away into the sky and she went away far away. The children went home and told the mother how Gill helped them. और वो जब घर गए and they told her mother कि how the Gill helped them. और Gill ने कैसे उनको help करा, कैसे उसे बचाया. So all of you have understood? Yes, children. So if you are having any problem regarding this chapter, if you have not understand, you can raise your hands and we'll solve that problem. Okay. Honey Garg, unmute yourself. Yes, Honey Garg. Yes, Honey Garg, you have to unmute yourself, beta. Okay, and Utkarsh. Utkarsh Gupta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Utkarsh, you having? Yes.
Ma'am, इस chapter की exercise कब होगी?
Tomorrow. You have understood the chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am. अब पूछना.
Beta, say fast. Honey Garg.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, यू हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम?
यस मैम जी, क्वेश्चन आंसर एक्सरसाइज कब करवाओगी?
टुमारो।
ओके मैम। मैम कल?
Okay, yes. Yes, any other children are having any problem regarding this chapter? All of you have understood this chapter. I have explained in English as well as in Hindi. Okay, children? So if you are having any problem, just let me know. Raise your hand and just let me know. If you are having any problem. Tomorrow we will be doing the exercise of this chapter. Okay, children? Okay, Gauri Chauhan. Yes, Gauri?
यस मैम।
हाँ बेटा, you having any problem?
मैम आपने इसकी एक्सरसाइज नहीं करवाई।
Beta, tomorrow we will do the exercise. Now, today I have explained you the chapter. So one day we will be explaining. I have done the explanation today. Na? So tomorrow we will be doing the exercise of this chapter. Okay, beta?
यस मैम।
Okay. You have understood the chapter?
यस मैम।
Okay. Beta, you are a new student in this class. Okay. Yes, Agrim Sharma, unmute yourself. Yes, Agrim, you are having any problem?
यस मैम।
Say.
यस मैम।
Tell me then if you are having any problem.
मैम कौन से चैप्टर
Beta, your voice is not.
मैम कौन से
Beta, I can't hear
चैप्टर
you. बेटा, that you will get the information. वो आपको information मिल जाएगी जब जो टेस्ट होगा. Okay, Agrim? Okay. Now Paridhi Gaur. Paridhi Gaur. Paridhi, unmute yourself. Yes, Paridhi. Paridhi, you have to unmute yourself. Beta, I've explained 2 times. You are joining late, beta. Then you have to go and understand in that portal. The explanation will be there in that portal.
मैम
Okay?
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है।
What it is? Paridhi,
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है।
Beta, that I can't help you. Now I have explained. So you should have joined the chapter. You should have joined at 8:30 sharp. I started at 8:40 explanation of the chapter, and I've explained 2 times. Beta, मैंने 2 बार explain करा. Now you have to go and check it out in portal. Okay. So yes, Devik. Devik, you are having any problem? Yes, Devik, unmute yourself. Others, all of you have understood the chapter? Okay. I will just explain you once again because many of you are demanding. Beta, you have to join fast. Okay, this is a story of a lost girl. In this story, the Betty and Gills are playing on the seashore. One day they are playing on the seashore. मतलब नदी के किनारे वो लोग खेल रहे हैं. It was a pleasant morning. Suddenly Betty saw a grey bundle और rolling towards the wave. उन्होंने क्या देखा? एक ग्रे सा कोई चीज roll towards the wave के किनारे, समुद्र के किनारे कुछ आ रहा है. What's that? Gill asked. Gill पूछ रहा उससे कि क्या है वो. The Gills looked at the sea. It is Gills. ये क्या है? ये एक गल है. He said, I think she is hurt. और वो क्या है? वो उसको चोट लग गई है. So they walked into the water and picked her up. और वो लोग क्या कहे? You can see in the photograph that they walked into the water and they picked up the girl. Okay, the girl was covered with oil that has come from the ship engine. गर्ल क्या था, गर्ल क्या थी, कवर्ड थी, पूरे उसमें ऑयल लगा हुआ था उसकी बॉडी में. Why oil was? Because ship चलती है ना पानी में, so because of that engine the oil must have leaked out मतलब निकला होगा, so it has gone to the girl and it has stuck on her wings. The girl was tired and ill. The girl क्या थी, वो tired थी और ill थी, बीमार थी. She could not fly also. When the oil of the when the oil of the wings, oil stick to their wings, जब oil उसकी wings में stick कर जाता है, तो sea birds cannot flap their wings and they cannot fly. They drown and they die. क्या हो जाता है, वो they cannot flap their wings, वो अपना flapping नहीं कर सकते. Flap means ऊपर नीचे करके flap करते हैं ना, that way they cannot flap their wings. They cannot fly in the sky. And because of that they do, they drown in the sea, और वो डूब के मर जाते. Drown means ये डूब के मर जाते. So what they decided to take her hard to clean the gill's wing. He put her और फिर उसको मार के वो started पोक करने लगी, और वो started pegged मतलब उसकी पोक करने लगी. पीछे आपकी फोटो में देखो मार रही है ना. And the dog ran away from the beach. The Betty looked up and they saw that the girl flying in the air with a loud cry. और फिर उन्होंने क्या देखा कि they saw that gill Betty said that gills look up in the sky, that it is the same gill which we have saved. हमने जिस gill को बचाया था, it is the same gill. So she had come here to save us. The gill was happy and flew away into the sky. और gill वहां से चली गई. Okay. And the children also went home and they told their mother how this thing happened with them. So all of you have understood. Try to find out the thick and right answers. All the exercises. Try to do it on your own. अपने आप करो. Tomorrow we will discuss with this in the chapter. Okay, children. So I'm ending with this chapter. In next period we will be doing that SST. Okay. Bye everyone.